Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to show you how to increase your profit per hour PPH into Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Hamster Kombat into your Telegram. And after opening the Hamster Kombat, you will get to see this profit per hour option into the top. Just simply tap into that profit per hour option and then it says boost your profit. Now, in order to increase your profit, you just simply have to tap into this start mining option and then you will be prompted to this page. Now, you just simply have to select any of these cards and start upgrading it level. Now, as you can see here, my profit per hour is plus 9.27k currently. Now if I select any of the card, for example I'm selecting this hamster tube card into here and it is level 8 currently, and if I spend 5134 and it will be level 9. And if you go back and see the profit per hour, it says plus 9.43k. So this way you can increase the level of your cards and increase your profit per hour very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.